guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your friend Sony. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm sure all of you have must heard about Clubhouse app. So let's discuss what is all the buzz around Clubhouse. So let's get started. Clubhouse is invite only social media app which launched in the year March 2020. Earlier it was only available for iOS user, but currently since May 2021 it is made available to Android users too. So here like-minded people can create a room and have a discussion. So if I have to connect this with a real life example, when we used to go to our college or offices, we used to meet at pantry or at chai tapri and had a discussion on political issues, any trending issue, fashion, gym or anything. So the idea is same. Influencer can create a room based on their interest area, and if that is something that interests you, you can join that room and have a discussion. You can only listen to it, or if you have any points to add, you can do that as well. So that's the whole idea of Clubhouse. Let's talk about exclusive part of this app. So unlike other social media app wherein you can go to Play Store, download the app and start using it, but that's not the case with Clubhouse. You can download the app and then you will be on the waiting list. To join the app, you need to get the invite from one of your friend who is already there on the app. So once you get the invite and you join the Clubhouse, you get two powers. That is, even you can invite two of your friends. So that's how it is different from other apps. So Clubhouse is only focusing on social audio. So there is no video, no pictures, no live streaming, only exchanging of ideas. As we already discussed, this app launched in the year March 2020. It's been a year and few months, but this app is very popular. Let's discuss reason for the same. So in Jan 2021, Elon Musk tweeted that he been on the Clubhouse for a chat, and overnight it became one of the most downloaded app on the Apple Store. Along with Elon Musk, there are other celebrities like Mark Zuckerberg who went on a Clubhouse to discuss a topic future of technology. So there are European and Asian politicians who are also hopping on this app. Recently, Democratic Youth Federation of India, party from Kerala, hosted a discussion on Clubhouse along with 3,000 participants about the ongoing issue of Lakshadweep. So the point I am trying to convey here is this app is not only popular internationally but in India as well. Let's talk about valuation. So valuation of Clubhouse as of March 2021 is $4 billion. You'll be surprised to know that the valuation of Clubhouse was 100 million when it had only 1500 users. So this is made available to Android users from May 21st, and within 2 weeks it crossed 1 million download for the Android version. This shows how popular this app is. I have one more interesting point to tell you about Clubhouse. So how do you recognize the app in your phone? So it's through its logo, right? But Clubhouse do not have its official logo, so they have opted for rotating black and white portrait of a person. So whosoever has an impact on the platform, his or her picture will be kept as a logo. So currently it is Drew Kataoka, who is Asian American artist, selected for the icon. So that's all I have for you in this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.